Hi, good morning, children. Hope you are eating good, nutritious food and not troubling your parents with health problems. Children, last week we studied about food values and how Chota Bheem became strong by eating healthy food. So, children, eat nutritious food, be healthy, and help yourself as well as your family. Now, let us know about Vipul. Vipul is a school going boy like you. One day, he brought a corn cob, that is, butta, while coming from the school. After coming home, he asked his mother, "Where is Chutki?" His mother replied that Chutki is in upstairs. Who is this Chutki? Chutki is his mommy's child. She is about 4 months. Immediately, Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and asked her to come upstairs along with him. His mother stopped Vipul and said she has soaked chapati in dal for his grandmother to eat. She said his grandmother will come upstairs after eating her meal. His grandmother eats dal with sugar. So she reminded Vipul's mother about adding sugar in dal. She says, after coming Nagpur, you are forgetting adding sugar in dal. But Vipul is in a hurry to see Chutki. So he caught grandmother's hand and asked her to come upstairs along with him. His mother clarified grandmother's confusion. She says she already tasted and the dal is well prepared. As the meal is ready, Vipul took grandmother's plate and ran upstairs quickly, asking grandmother to follow him. So she says when she was in Vipul's age, she could run the hill in this time. But now she is old, so she cannot run quickly. On reaching upstairs, Vipul gave the butta to his mommy. Vipul washed his hands and lifted little Chutki. He is fond of playing with her. Suddenly, Chutki started crying as she is hungry. So, mommy took Chutki to feed her. She gave milk to Chutki. So, children, everyone here not eating the same food. Chutki is a small baby. She drinks only milk. She doesn't have teeth to eat. Even grandmother also eats soft food only because she is old and her teeth are not strong. Others are having strong teeth and they can eat hard food also. So our food habits are based on our age also sometimes. Children, let us answer some questions from the lesson. Why was Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly? Dadi was not able to climb the stairs quickly because she was very old. How does Dadi like to have her dal? Dadi likes to have sugar in her dal. How many persons in the story can eat butta easily and why? 3 persons, mother, mommy and Vipul in the story can eat butta easily as they have strong teeth. Can all old people eat butta? Why? No, all old people do not have strong teeth and they cannot eat butta. Fill in the table. Children, here you have given different kinds of people. Child, young and old people. Child can drink only milk. The hard foods, nuts and all a child cannot eat. Very small child. Young lady, So young people have strong teeth. They can eat vegetables, fruits and all kinds of foods. The old man, he can eat only soft foods, chapati soaked in milk, soft rice, etc. The hard foods and nuts he cannot eat. Children, put a circle on the things that you eat often. Children, rice. Mostly we eat rice daily in the form of rice, lemon rice, tamarind rice, biryani, pulao, dosa, idli. In various forms we eat rice. Similarly, wheat, puri, chapati, bread, halwa, upma, like that in various forms we eat even wheat also. So you observe the other foods also, children: barley, oats, maize, millets, tapioca, ragi. So if you eat any of these frequently, then you put a circle for them also. Children, wheat is consumed by most of the Indians in various forms. Let us see the various forms of it. Chapati, puri, upma, dalia, halwa, noodles, dosa, bread and pizza. So we like to eat wheat in various forms. Most of the North Indians eat wheat. It is the staple food for them. Most of the South Indians eat rice in the form of idli, dosa, uttappam, pulihora, poha, biryani, murku. Snacks also we do, and puffed rice. Other than children, there are many more items which we do with rice. So rice is a staple food mostly for South Indians. Write the names of 3 food items you like to eat and 3 that you dislike. So 3 items, children, which you most like to eat, that you have to write, and 3 items which you don't like to eat. Even them also you have to write. It is to be done by you. And children, are your likes and dislikes similar to that of your family members? No, the likes and dislikes are different. Let us talk to some people and find what they like to eat. So here is Lichen. So what she says: I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snakes. Whenever we feel like eating snakes, we go to a nearby hotel and eat Ling Hu Fen. So Ling Hu Fen is a food item made of snakes. So children, Lichen lives in Hong Kong. She loves to eat snakes. Here is Junie. What she says: I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa. We ate fish there, but it tastes very different. My mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. So, depending on the place, the item preparation also changes. The same fish cooked in Kashmir with mustard oil, whereas in Goa it is cooked with coconut oil. So, the taste changes from place to place. So here Thomas says, I live in Kerala. I really like to eat 2 things. One grows on a tall tree and the other underground. it is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. It tastes very good. So children, coconut you find on the coconut tree which is very tall. And this is tapioca, which is a root food. So Thomas, who is in Kerala, wants to eat these two things. Children, next, what are the reasons that decide what we eat? So firstly, availability in our surroundings. It should be available in our surrounding areas. Next, customs and traditions of the family. So in a family, mostly we like to eat certain foods. Next, affordability to buy. So we must be in a position to purchase those items. Next, likes and dislikes. So if we are interested, we will try to purchase and eat that food. Next, a region. Based on the region, where do you stay? Our food items will be. So these are the various factors that decide the food we eat. Children, names of some things are given below. Put a tick on the things that can be eaten. So we are given some food items, some items which can be eaten. We have to put tick mark. Banana flowers, we eat, is it not? Hen's eggs we eat. Next, cauliflower, we eat. Drumstick flowers, you know drumstick, we eat. Leaves of arvi, we eat. I will show you children. Meat, we eat. Mushroom, seeds of onion, we eat. Lotus stem, we eat. Fish, we eat. Rat, crab, red ants, frog, grass, we don't eat them. Indians, we don't eat them. Next, leftover chapati, we eat. Amla, we eat. Coconut oil, we eat. Camel's milk, we eat. Chapati made of bajra, we eat. So, except these, all other items we eat. Children, let me clarify few of the items given above. RV leaves. So, these are RV leaves. Children, have you identified the RV? Okay. So, this is the RV ke patto ki sabji. So, curry made out of RV leaves. Okay, children? Children, lotus stem. This is lotus stem. So, this is the food item made out of lotus stem. It is called palak nadir. Spinach and lotus stem are used to make this one. Next, these are the chips made of lotus stem. It is called kamal kadi chips. Children, next, amla. This is also called Indian gooseberry. So it is an excellent source of vitamin C. It helps to boost up immunity. So this is amla candy, amla murabba, amla hair oil. So amla is very useful for our health. Children, I thought of showing onion seeds. Onion seeds are also called kalonji. The seeds are used as flavoring agents while cooking. They have smell. And this is camel milk. This is costly. Camel milk has iron, protein, vitamin C and less fat. That is the reason why it helps to reduce diabetes, promotes immunity, it promotes growth and development, improves blood circulation and promotes the health of the heart. So children, eat nutritious food and grow strong. Here I would like to tell you an important thing. Children, sometimes we throw away food when we don't like that food. There may be many reasons for that. But do you know children, many people are dying without food. and many are suffering from malnutrition. The food produced in the world is not sufficient for all the people, and those who cannot purchase the food are starving. So children, don't waste the food. It is very valuable. Give the food you are throwing away to the needy people and help them and help the country to come out from malnutrition hazards. What do you say, children? Serving people is serving God, right? Is it okay, children? That's all for today's lesson, children. Hope you enjoyed. As usual, send your answers to the group. Next week, again, we will meet with a new lesson. Till then, bye-bye.